Assalamualaikum everyone, once again welcome back to another video. So this is Rehan Ahmed, once again welcome back again. So guys, I am somewhere at Japlong Mayabi waterfall. So are you able to see I am somewhere at Mayabi waterfall, Mayabi Jordan, Japlong Silet. So guys, welcome Japlong Mayabi Jordan. So guys, I am here to discuss or to talk regarding topic restaurant. So guys, I would like to discuss or I would like to talk regarding topic how will you be able to speak or talk regarding restaurant topic. Okay, there are several restaurants that I like, such as CFC, BFC, SFC, Pansi, Pasbai and so on. Among them, Pasbai I like the most. Okay. So, how often do you go there? I go there once in a week. কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো আপনারা নিজের মতো করে সাজিয়ে নেবেন।